Use the link in the description and click on LM Studio for Windows to download it. Once downloaded, run the installer and let the LM Studio install. Simply search for Llama in LM Studio's search field. Here, you'll find various quantized LLMs. Just select one. On the right, select your preferred version. Then click on Download next to it. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, click on AI Chat on the left. Click on Select a model to load and choose the downloaded Meta Llama 3. Once it's loaded, you can offload the entire model to the GPU. Click on Max to offload the entire model to the GPU. Once the model loads, you can start chatting with Llama 3 locally. And no, since the LLM is stored locally on your computer, you don't need internet connectivity to do so.